are in Canva, this is what you will get when you download your link that you get, your file that you get when buying this item. And it'll come like this. And at the top, it'll say Spring Bulletins Editable Link. Click here. And you just click on that. And it goes to the PDF where you can edit. And so you just push Edit Template. And then give it a second and it'll pop up. And if you're on your phone or if you're on a computer, you just click whatever you want to change. Maybe it's the font. You click there and you can change the font by pressing font down here at the bottom. When you do that, it brings up different fonts you can use. If you have the free account, that free Canva account, then you press any of the fonts that do not have a little crown beside them. And if you don't, then you're going to want to push if you have like Canva Pro, you're going to want to push any of them. So back over here, we want to change the picture. Just click on it. And then you're going to want to find where it says, click out of this, and then it'll say Elements. On Elements, you can go up here at the top where it says Search, and you can write in Spring. And it will bring up graphics and photos. You pick a photo that you like, and then you can just make it fit to your space. Take that one out by clicking on it and pushing the little trash can up there, and then you can just go ahead and put this new one in its place like so, and just make it fit real nicely. I'm just gonna leave it as is, but if you want to change the verse here, you can do that. You can put something in the middle. You can change it all different right there. Where it says sermon notes, you can put something else, maybe prayer request or whatever you want to put. Then on the next page is the inside. And same here, you can change up anything on the inside any way you want to. Okay, and then all the rest of it are all of the outsides, the cover, the front and back. Okay, and you can change any of them same way. Say you want to print now. So you're going to go over here at the top, and there's a little arrow up. And you're going to download to your computer or your phone, and then print. After you download, you open it up and print it. Then you got the you can find it on your computer. You're just going to have to look in your files and see where it went. Then we got, if you don't want to print it at home, you can print with Canva. You just put print with Canva. And you're going to look down close to the bottom for brochures, I believe it is. Or you can do the landscape letterheads. I think the brochures are probably at the top. It looks like it's in alphabetical order here. Anyway, I am not seeing it. I saw it on my computer. Anywho, fix something that will work good. We'll try the letterheads landscape for our presentation here. And then you can just push resize, which you don't have to do. You can leave it just as it is for our purposes. And it has a front and the back. And so you're just gonna order how many ever you want and whatever kind of paper. There's standard and there's premium, which is thicker and nicer. 50 of them is going to be $30, and then it has all the prices here. 25 goes for 20, 50 for 30, 100 for 56, 150 for 78, and it keeps going on. Looks like they're having some kind of sale too. So yeah, and that's how it's done. So I'm not doing mine today, so but that's exactly how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.